Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to not show text messages on your lock screen on iPhone. So let's say you don't want to show any text messages on here, so if somebody sends you a text and you don't want the notification to show up on your lock screen, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to change that in this video today. So to turn it off, it's pretty simple. So first you want to go into your phone, and once you're on your phone, you're actually going to want to head over to settings. Once you find settings from here, it's pretty simple. You want to scroll down until you find the option for messages. So as you can see, it's right here, but if you can't find it anywhere else, you can search for it as well. Once you find it, you're going to want to go ahead and head over to it. Now once you're in messages, what you're going to want to do, you want to find the option for notifications. As you can see, it's right here. And once you find it, you want to go ahead and click on that. Now as you can see, if you just want to turn off all notifications for messages, you can just turn off allow notifications right here, and I'll just turn it off completely. But if you just want to turn it off for the lock screen, what you want to do, you want to turn it off for lock screen right here in alerts. Now if you turn it off for lock screen, then you will have to unlock your phone to see any notifications on your phone. So the notification center, you'll still be able to see it from your lock screen, but you'll have to have unlocked your lock screen before you can see that. So nobody will be able to see any of your notifications from messages unless you unlock the phone. So that is how you don't show text messages on your lock screen on iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.